What's up guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice square root algebra problem, and we are to find the value of x. So I'm going to share with you two methods that you can actually use to solve this right here. So let's dive into method 1. So the first thing guys you want to do right here is to simply square both sides, and we have the expression to be given as the square root of x into the square root of x into the square root of x and into the square root of x, and this is equals to 5. So the first thing guys we want to do is to simply what square both sides. So this is going to cancel out this, so we have x multiply the square root of x multiply the square root of x multiply the square root of x, and this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 2. So the next thing you want to simply do is to simply square both sides. So we have x multiply the square root of x into the square root of x into the square root of x is equals to 5 raised to the power of 2. So we want to simply what square both sides. So but we know that if we have a multiply b or raised to the power of m, this is the same thing as a raised to the power of m multiply b raised to the power of n. So we want to apply this. So we have x raised to the power of 2 multiply the square root of x multiply the square root of x into the square root of x all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2 multiply 2, and this was gotten from if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of what mn. All right, so from here we have x raised to the power of 2 multiply, this is going to cancel out this, so we have x multiply the square root of x into the square root of x, and this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 2 multiply 2. We have this to be what 4. So we want to simply square both sides one more time. So we are going to square both sides. All right, so squaring both sides, we have this to be x raised to the power of 2 multiply 2 multiply x raised to the power of 2 multiply the root of x into the root of x all square, and this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 4 multiply 2. So we have x raised to the power of 2 multiply 2 is 4, multiply x raised to the power of 2 multiply, this is going to cancel out this, so we have x multiply the root of x, and this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 4 multiply 2 is going to give us what 8. But we know from the property of exponent, if we have a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of n plus n, right? So we have this to be x raised to the power of 4 plus 2 plus, no, this is raised to the power of 1. We have 1 multiply the root of x, and this is equals to 5 the power of 8. So we have x raised to the power of 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, multiply the root of x, and this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 8. So from here we want to simply what square both sides. So we have x raised to the power of 7 multiply the root of x is equals to 5 raised to the power of 8. So we want to simply what square both sides. So here we have x raised to the power of 7 multiply 2 multiply the root of x all square is equals to 5 raised to the power of 8 multiply what 2. So we have x raised to the power of 7 multiply 2 is going to give us 14 multiply, this is going to cancel out this, so we have x raised to the power of 1 which is equals to 5 raised to the power of 8 multiply 2 is going to give us what 16. So we have x raised to the power of 14 plus 1 is equals to 5 raised to the power of what 16. So we have x raised to the power of 14 plus 1 is 15, which is equals to 5 raised to the power of 16. So the next thing you want to simply do is to multiply the powers by 1 over what 15. So we have x raised to the power of 15 multiply 1 over 15 is equals to 5 raised to the power of 16 multiply 1 over what 15. So this is going to cancel out this, and x raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as x, which is equals to 5 raised to the power of 16 multiply 1 is 16 over what 15, and this becomes the value of what of x. So guys, this is the first method that you can use to solve this nice algebra problem. So guys, let's simply go on to what method 2. So from here we want to so for method 2 we want to simply recall that if we have the root of a, this is the same thing as a raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? So we want to apply this here. So we have this to be the root of x multiply the double square root of x multiply the triple square root of x multiply the root of into the root of into the root and into the root of x, and this is equals to what 5. But we know that the root of a is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? So here we have that x raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply x raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply x raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply x raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2, and this is equals to what? 5. So we have x raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply x raised to the power of 1 multiply 1 is 1 over 2 multiply 2 is 4 multiply x raised to the power of 1 multiply 1 will give us 1 over 2 multiply 2 4 4 multiply 2 is 8 multiply x raised to the power of 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 is going to give us 1 divide 2 multiply 2 4 4 multiply 2 8 8 multiply 2 is 16, and this is equals to what? 5. So from the property of exponents, if we have a raised to the power of x multiply a raised to the power of y multiply a raised to the power of z, this is the same thing as a raised to the power of x plus y plus what? Z. So applying this, we have x raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16, and this is equals to what? 5. So with x is raised to the power, look for the LCM of 2 4 8 and 16, and we have the LCM to be what? 16. So 2 divided 16 is going to give us 8. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 divided 16 4. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 8 divided 16 2. 2 times 1 is 2 and 16 divided 16 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, and this is equals to what? 5. So we have x raised to the power of 8 plus 4 12 12 plus 2 14 14 plus 1 is 15 over 16, and this is equals to 5. So the next thing we want to do right here is to simply multiply the powers of both sides by 16 over what? 15, and you notice that this is raised to the power of what? 1. So from here we have that x raised to the power of 15 over 16 multiply 16 over 15 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 1 multiply what? 16 over what? 15. So we have x is raised to the power of 15 is going to cancel out 15, 16 we cancel out 16, so we have this to be x raised to the power of 1, which is equals to 5 raised to the power of 1 multiply 16 is 16 over what? 15. So therefore we have that x is equals to 5 raised to the power of 16 over what? 15, and this becomes the final what? Answer. So guys, this is the second method that you can actually use to solve this nice square root math problem. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.